what does it cost to replace that roof? And that's the check that they're going to stroke for you so that you can actually do the work. Hey, it's Kevin A. Malsh, Pine Financial Group. We work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on YouTube. We're trying to build a channel here to help more real estate investors just like you. Help me out. Hit subscribe. Hit that notification button so you get notified each time we have fresh, awesome content. Today, I want to talk about a common misconception with insurance, hazard insurance. I think what people don't understand is what it takes to actually protect yourself from a loss to the property or damage to the property. And a lot of the times the agents are just trying to sell you, no offense to agents, but a lot of times they're trying to sell you the cheapest premium policy, and it might not be the right one. So I want to mention the two primary types of insurance policies to protect your properties, and that is replacement cost and cash value or value. So value and replacement cost. So on a value policy, if you have a loss, let's say there's damage to the roof and you need to replace the roof. On a value policy, they're going to take the value of that roof and they're going to depreciate it over time. So let's say it's a 10-year-old roof. What does it cost to replace it? Let's subtract 10 years of use, and that's the check that you're going to get from the insurance company. Nowhere near enough to actually make that replacement or that repair. So that's the value policy. Now in the replacement cost policy, that's what we're looking for here, guys, replacement cost. And what that is what does it cost to replace that roof? And that's the check that they're going to stroke for you so that you can actually do the work to make the repairs on your property. So big difference, cash value, replacement cost, choose replacement cost. Check us out, pinefinancialgroup.com.